that up then, eh? And hey presto. Alright, so I made it together. It's running really nicely. I've got the switch, the original switch. Just painted up and cleaned a few bits up. And we'll just whack it back together just with a basic switch on it. I'm not going to be bothered doing it terribly much. Probably need a couple of tools. Alright, it's just got a few little spanners. Probably not going to be able to see a whole lot of what I'm doing, but shit happens. Alright, so that's our base plate. Screw off. Well done. Good old huge commentary. Bullshit. And screwdriver would help too. And it's got a little overload switch built in, so I might wire that in as well. Pretty straightforward. Bent up nasty. Straighten that out. I'm guessing they're the screws. Memory. Not that my memory's real good. Oh, no. Another little spider. A little spring washer. Look at that sideways. Been over time. Just use my precision adjusting tool. There we go, that's nice and flat now, that'll work. More fingers. No, I reckon, what's like this right there? It's like that. Earth. I'm gonna use there's a little brass washer there with that. I just want to make sure I've got a contact. And get the nut to go on straight. Tiny little things with my fat fingers. Alright. Yep, that's the way I want it. Okay, so as we switch. you want a power lead? I'll let it put the power lead. Alright, so I've got to change a couple of things in here because going onto them and that they simply won't work. Simple. It's funny, you know, I think there's all those things I could be saying, you know, while I'm doing this stuff that I'm really not talking, and I'll get these great ideas and then I just can't bloody well remember. When it comes to time to do the pressure's on. And what I'm really thinking about is what I'm actually doing here, so forgive me if I don't talk to you as much. I just did it like that because I didn't want to take that off, you know, just made a cheap ass. Didn't really want to cut in another connector. Connectors. Oh, electrical connectors, spike connectors, and my trusty connector squasher. I'm really good at ending up with no room to work. So, it'd be great to have a few different stations where you get the different types of work, but you know, the shed's just too small and too disorganised. So I'll just move stuff around as I need to. So I'm just going to use two blue insulated spade connectors. Give them a twist. All the wires go in together. Put it through till it stops. And with the trusty squasher, just give it a squash, give it a test. It's not going to come off. Do the same with the other one. And give it a squash again. There we go. So, I don't know if you can see that. Don't know if it's focusing. God, I can't see. That's those. So they'll go on the output of the switch. And no, I'm not bothered. Hang on, put that in there. Better feed it all through, make it look like it's supposed to be. Do a half professional job on it. All right. So now I'll put them onto my switch. Bang and bang, they're on. Now I need to get my earth on up here. Just slip that on there. Oh, me nuts. There we go. So, if anyone's actually watching this stuff, what's this guy doing? Well, what I'm doing is I'm tilting my shed up so that I can do some pretty, hopefully, some pretty nice work on some custom bikes, do some custom work, and that's got to go the other way because they're not going to fit in there. So that's the idea, and this motor here, that's going to run, what I reckon that'll be probably a belt sander, maybe 2x72 or something like that, something fairly hefty. It's a 2 horsepower motor, runs really well now that it's been repaired, and that's not the right screw. And I bet you it's going to be one of these horrible little rusty suckers. But who cares? I don't. There we go. Oh, nearly got me. And there it is, just put together. Now I'm just going to test this switch. Okay, so it didn't start on me without me wanting it to. And grab a glove, just in case it decides it wants to short out into the body or something like that. So here we go, and tighten that, and voila! Pretty happy with this motor. It was absolutely buggered. You know, it was literally chucked down the tip on an old what was it, a garden mulcher. You mulch up your sticks and stuff stick it on your gardens and that. Well, the real problem with it was that there was one wire had come loose. I'll turn that off now. One wire had come loose, and I found that pretty quickly by just tugging a couple of wires, and wire came out of it had a dead man switch on it, so the wire into the dead man switch had come loose. So this thing, I reckon this thing had just sat for, I don't know, God knows how long, but it's just sat out in the weather. You see in the video, it was full of rust on the inside. The bearings, these are the bearings that come out of it. You know, hopefully you can see that. I'll put it a little closer. And go. That one turns, but it's pretty notchy. That one's totally seized. Will not turn. So that's what was wrong with the motor. So for $17 down at the local bearing shop, mashed them up, slammed them in. Now we've got a nice strong, a really strong motor. I wonder, can I stop that with my hand? And I'm not going to do it with that. I'm not going to do it with that nut on there because that'll rip your hand off if it catches. I like this too, that it's a threaded end rather than a keyway. Suits me a little bit better. Stuff around with keyways and what have you. Just turn it back on again. And yeah, oh, it's warm for blood. There's no way known I can stop that motor. That's a nice strong motor. So here's cheers to the guy or woman or person who left it to go to rack and ruin, so I can find it a few years down the track and